Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today we will talk about iPhone features and iPhone application. And today we will focus on Apple Notes, the application that developed by the Apple or iPhone to provide you documents to create some notes. So if you already creating a notes that has like a private format or private purposes, you just need to lock it to make it more safety. So you just need to open the Apple Note. It will be like so normally it will be like default installed into your phone. So you just need to find the notes that you want to lock here. Let's say I want to lock this document. So you just need to go click and hold, and there will be like give you an options like this, and there will be an option that lock note. So you just need to tap it, and you just need to enter the passcode for the notes here, and the passcode will be the same passcode that you use to lock your phone. And now those notes will be locked. It will be like need several times to make it lock. So better you wait 10 to 15 minutes before you open it. So that's for today's tutorial. If you have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and let's meet again into other tutorial.